What if 15 seconds could change your entire business? Welcome to TikTok, the platform where small brands become household names overnight. Let's unlock the secrets of TikTok marketing for real business growth. Section 1. Why TikTok works. Unlike other platforms, TikTok is built for fast, authentic content. Its algorithm thrives on engagement, creativity, and trending challenges. With Gen Z and millennials making up most of the user base, the opportunity for brand growth is massive. And when something goes viral, your business could go from unknown to unstoppable. Section 2. Creating winning content. To succeed on TikTok, you have to play to the algorithm. Post content that's authentic, funny, educational, or visually satisfying. Use trending music, bold text overlays, smooth transitions, and story-driven edits. The goal? Stop the scroll and spark the share. Section 3. Building your community. Success on TikTok isn't just about views. It's about community. Stay consistent in your style, tone, and message. Respond to comments, reply to DMs, and host live Q&As. And don't forget to collab with influencers who align with your brand. They bring trust and audience reach. Section 4. Driving business results. Want more traffic or sales? Use clear calls to action in your videos. Add a link in bio and showcase your products in action. Run giveaways, launch challenges, or simply share your brand story. Just do it with energy and authenticity. Section 5. Scaling with strategy. Once you've found your rhythm, scale with TikTok ads. Use them to target specific audiences or amplify what's already working. Track your likes, shares, reach, and link clicks, then adjust. And most importantly, stay flexible. TikTok changes fast. The brands that listen and evolve are the ones that win. Your audience is on TikTok. The question is, will your brand show up? Try this. Drop a comment and tell me your niche, and I'll suggest a TikTok idea tailored to you in the next video. Let's grow together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Brand locally, easy, and affordable.